doggy.
Your doggy's up in the chandelier.
Oh my goodness.
Look at your elephant.
What does it say? This is what the note Mommy and Daddy left Santa Claus last night. It says, Dear Santa, we left you these cookies and this milk. Sammy Jo is upstairs sleeping, but she says thank you for the gifts. Be safe, Mommy and Daddy, Aunt Lois, and Uncle Steve. But what is this? It's a note from Santa. It says, Dear Samantha, you have some wild friends. Thanks for letting them party with me. Thank you so much for the delicious milk and cookies. Merry Christmas, Santa. P.S. Be good next year. I'll be watching. P.S. Rudolph says, thanks for the carrots. Did Rudolph eat some carrot? Oh my goodness, a reindeer ate that carrot. Did your teddy bears write notes? It says, I love Samantha from Mr. Bear. What does this one say? I love Mr. Bear from Mrs. Bear. That's so sweet.
Where's your elephant? What's your elephant
What's he
doing? Is he on a zip line?
Your elephant's trying to fly.
Samantha, did you see your armadillo? What's he doing? He's hiding under the paper.
And your giraffe drinking out of the teacup.
Oh
my
he fell
goodness.
asleep in the teacup.
He fell asleep there. Should we help him out?
Oh no. There we
wake
go.
Up, Mr. Giraffe, wake up.
They had a party with
They had a
Santa
Christmas
Claus.
party.
Whoa. I wonder who stacked the tower. They did a good job. Do you think that was the giraffe? Or do you think that's how the doggy ended up in the chandelier?
What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, is that how it happened? They sure did leave a mess, didn't they?
They did.
Yeah, those messy bears.
Look at that. I wonder if the bears will clean it up. You think they'll clean it up?
No. I think Mommy's gonna have to clean it up.